Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Amazon account temporarily locked issue and regain access to your account. If Amazon has temporarily locked your account, it usually means the system detected unusual activity or needs additional verification. The first thing you should do is visit the regular Amazon login page and attempt to sign in. If your account is locked, follow the instructions shown on the screen. Amazon may ask you to verify your identity by providing information or uploading a government-issued ID. If the automated recovery process does not work, contact Amazon support. Many users report that speaking with a live representative is the fastest way to get help. When interacting with the automated system, repeatedly state that you want to speak to a representative. Once connected, explain that your account is temporarily locked and ask to be transferred to the related department or an account specialist. You can also try calling Amazon's regional support numbers directly. Some users have successfully resolved account lock issues through phone support without relying entirely on the online recovery process. Results may vary depending on your location, but it is another option worth considering. Follow these steps carefully, provide accurate information, and be patient during the verification process to improve your chances of recovering your Amazon account. Thanks for watching.